Qatar, it's one of the best partners for us. They have a very good experience, very good potential. It's at most importance for Mozambique.
Hello and welcome to the show called Ambassador of the Month, where we celebrate diplomatic excellence and cultural exchange. Today we are at the Embassy of Mozambique, and it's an honor and privilege to connect with the Ambassador of Mozambique to Qatar, Isac Mamudo Massamby. Hello and welcome on FM 107. Hope you are doing well.
Doing very well, thank you.
Your Excellency, can you share any of those moments that actually motivated you to start your career as a diplomat?
Well, actually, when I finished the high school in 1985, I was selected as one of the students to integrate the newly established High Institute for International Relations and Diplomacy. So I was privileged to be part of that faculty because at the time the country had no diplomatic career officials. So I was lucky to be part of this faculty during 5 years. Initially, it was not my choice, but at the time, the country was selecting people that would make the country to go through the first years of independence. But immediately after I understand what diplomacy is, I was very happy, and I think I was in the right place to do my professional career.
Your Excellency, in your opinion, what traits and skills students can actually gain from, studying diplomacy, and how you believe that they can apply these in order to address the global challenges into this interconnected world?
Well, diplomacy, it's a very interesting career that people, they have to develop their skills according to the respect of the law, of the good manners, respect, and this is what motivated me to be a diplomat or to study diplomacy at that time.
Mozambique is known for its cultural diversity. It has a unique blend of African, Portuguese, and Indian influences. So how does this cultural diversity actually, reflect the global presence of Mozambique?
Mozambique has been having this blend of influence from Europe, from this area, the Middle East, and from Asia also, Asian countries. So I think we got used to, to interact with other cultures, and it makes Mozambique a very special country, particularly its people. They are used to, to live in harmony with all the cultures, and we learn a lot at the point that our culture has always a bit or signals from these cultures, including in the way we dress, the food we eat, so many aspects that we can see that this is the influence of the Arabics, this is the influence of the Indians, this is the influence of the Portuguese, or this is the influence of Chinese people also. So we had all this blend of mixed cultures in the country.
Given Mozambique's natural resources, particularly in energy and minerals, so what initiative government is taking to attract foreign investment, ensuring the sustainable development too?
The country, the economy, or the base of our economy is agriculture. So agriculture is what driven, our development. But other sectors, including tourism, energy, now we have these mineral resources. So the country has really made a special plan for development, taking account the abundant resources that we have. But the strategy of the country is to see in which way we can attract international partners to come and assist us, or to make a partnership for development by operating in Mozambique. but all the benefits should benefit the whole country, because the country is long and the resources, they are not equitable distributed for all over the country. Each region or each province has different resources. So our principles is national unity, so that the exploration of those resources should be in benefit of all the owners of those resources, which are the Mozambicans at whole. And well, this is the one part. The second part would probably be the benefits for the local communities around the exploration of these resources. The exploration would be in the sense that will dynamize the development of these communities, giving them schools, hospitals, roads, and promoting the employment of the youth population in that region. I think this is the basic strategy of the government.
Your Excellency, tell me, what opportunities do Qatari businesses have in the field of agriculture or in agriculture sector, and how they can, better connect and engage with the local farmers?
Since we arrived here, our embassy, it's a very new embassy. We have just came 3 years ago to establish the embassy in Doha. And since we are here, we have been established some contact with companies that makes import of agricultural products. Qatar, it's really a good market. And I think Mozambique also has some very good conditions to offer for partnership with Qatari companies here. So we have like 36 million hectares of cultivable lands, and we are now trying to popularize or to inform the Qatari business people that there is plenty of opportunities in agriculture, so that they will study and see in which way they can come and make partnership with Mozambique. I think agriculture would be the best area of cooperation with Qatar. Although now we are already doing some trade in some products, but we feel that we have the potential to do much better.
Your Excellency, tell me, what role does Mozambique plays in order to maintain regional stability and economic development within the Southern African Development Community?
Our first priority is the region, because even our history showed us that all the challenges that we faced was due to our strategic location in the region. So fortunately, all the leaders in the region, they have the same way of perspective of development. And the role of Mozambique is to facilitate the countries in the hinterland to have access to the sea and and the trade circulation in the ocean. I think this is one of the best roles that Mozambique plays in the region, particularly in the transport and communication.
Okay, apart from your diplomatic duties, what are your hobbies? What do you do where you get time? And which is your favorite hangout place here in Qatar?
I like sports, and sometimes I play soccer. I join my other colleagues, ambassadors, on the weekend to play soccer. Although the age doesn't help so much, but we have fun, and it's good for the health. Apart from that, I'm a person that I grew up listening to music, and I like to listen to kind of jazz and fusion. But also I like reading. Yes, I like reading. So those are basically my hobbies. On the weekends, I normally go with my companion, my wife, to some places that we love very much. The National Museum of Qatar, and the Souk Waqif. It's a place that we normally go at the end of the day, and we sit and we see, all the tourists passing by, and have some karak and Arab coffee. Yes, of course I do, and I love it.
Okay, as someone who represents Mozambique on a global level, what aspect of your heritage you find most influential in your work?
It's a very nice question, but I think the big heritage is the patience that one has to have and teach the others to understand the other part. A mutual understanding, it's something that should be developed since the early stage, and it helps not only the career of the diplomat, but also the way of a society could be based on.
Well, looking forward, how do you envision the future of Qatar and Mozambique in next 5 to 10 years?
Qatar, it's one of the best partners in the Gulf region here for us. They have a very good experience, very good potential that it's at most importance for Mozambique. And Mozambique looks at Qatar as a partner for the future, because they have a lot of experience. They developed their country in less than 30 years, which is really amazing. We have all the conditions also in our countries in Africa in general for that. But of course, there are so many other challenges. And we are sure that Qatar also faces those kind of challenges. So we are here to learn with them, and we are sure that in the years to come, Mozambique and Qatar will be a very model role of cooperation between a Middle East country with an African country. We have everything to be a very big success and a model of development for the benefit of our peoples. Inshallah.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for taking out this time and talking to us. It was fantastic talking to you, and thank you for sharing such valuable insights. Thank you.
My pleasure, Nazia. My pleasure.